Okay, we're out in our backyard. There's my lovely wife, Lynn. There's our bluebird house, which we have 5 bluebird eggs. This is our bunny over here. He comes and visits. His name is Steve. Hi, Steve. How you doing, Steve? Yeah, see, he's very friendly. See him? Yeah. Hi, Steve. Steve. Our bunny, Steve. There he is. Look, he's still eating. I'm about 10 foot away from him. Steve. 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 Steve, where are you going? Steve. Where are you going, Steve? Steve!